Hi there, Lisa Casey here. We are on Mentimeter today, and this is how you can use this tool to formatively assess and poll your students. So I came to Mentimeter.com and I logged in with Google, and now I have the option to create a new presentation. Once I do that, we have lots of different options for how we want students to engage in this material. So over on this side, you can see we have lots of different types of questions, and you can see the slide itself changes to reflect what it would look like. So you have multiple choice, open-ended, word clouds, scales that you can move back and forth, ranking, and down at the bottom, we have a few more advanced options, including grids. So lots of different ways to assess your students and gather data. But for now, we're going to keep it simple and just use a multiple choice question. So over on the side, we have our question. And then down here, we can type in all of our answers. Whoops, spring, summer, fall, and then we can add another option. Over here, you have the ability to add images as well. You can either upload them or you can search in the library for different images that might help students. Down here, we can show how we want the results to be displayed. So if we want a bar graph, if we want a donut, pie chart, different dots, lots of different ways down here to show what data you're collecting. And then down here, you have the option to show the correct answers, show results in percentages instead of numbers, and then you can let participants choose multiple options. So if you click this one, show correct answers, up here, this box on the left side is how you show which is the correct answer. So once we're ready, once we've got that slide figured out, we can go ahead and click this share button. And we have a couple different options to share. Down here is a QR code you can share with your students. You can copy the link, which is probably the easiest way, and put it in your Google Classroom or drop it in your Google Meet chat. Up here, if they come to Mentimeter.com, they can enter the voting code and vote that way. But that expires in a couple days, so I think the safest way is with that link. So if I copy the link, let's open up a new tab and see what it looks like. Here we go, pretty simple. What's your favorite season? I'm going to select my answer, and then that's it. If you want to share the results with your students, you have the ability to, in this share button still, come over to the presentation sharing, and you can share the link with your students. So this is the embed code if you want to put it like on your website, or this is the link you can use to post to Google Classroom or drop in the chat to share with students the live results as they come in. So there we go. We have one answer so far, and that answer is for fall. Right, so we have this way of gathering information from students, lots of different ways to poll students as we need to, lots of different ways to show the responses. And that's how you can use Mentimeter to gather formative data on your students. Thanks for watching.